Ke education fair ke Eduvento kabala sdang mynne ke sngi ha All Saints Hall Shillong kala long kawei ni ki rynsan kabala pynlong khnang ban iarap iki khynnah pule kiba kwah ban leit pule shabar jong ke jylla ha ki kolej ne jaka pule kiba don ha kiwei pat ki jylla kari India ha katei ke yo pule puthi ke ban kut ha kapor nyo baje janmiet lashai ke sngi kata ka khat sau tarik Jymmang ar puar le shim ban talang khat pratali ki school ba ne ki university nakleng kari India habaya kren mat kilat pathai khubor mynne ka sngi u director jong ka Eduvento Sahil Zaman ulayathu bala pynlong ya kani ka kenjai yo pan iarap iki khynnah pule ka jylla ha ka bayade bat ka jingtip shaphang ki line pule ki ba pher bat ru ya ki lat ai jing iarap kum ki loan ne ram na ki bank na ka banta ka jing pule ka ba kham shakhle ne higher studies ha ki college ki ba po ki ba bon ki school ba ne university ha ka lengkari India ulakantu ki khynnah pule ka sor Shillong bakin shim ya kani ka kabu yo jingtip halor ki tei ki jaka pule khnang bakiru ki la banjet e ka line pule ne course of study ka babhatam na ka bantajong ki shimet.
This is Sahil Zaman from Guwahati. Basically, we are doing this Eduvento events in different locations of Northeast. First event which was held in Guwahati on 9th and 10th, which was very successful event. Now we are here in Shillong, that means today and tomorrow, that means 13 and 14 of May. But due to today heavy rainfall, we are we got a little bit problems to gather students, but still now we have seen students are coming, and tomorrow also we are having the same event in this location, All Saints Hall. And the thing is that why a student should come to this place, because they will get an opportunity to know about the colleges, because there are different type of colleges from across India. Like if we see, we are having colleges like Calcutta, Adamas, from Alliance, Bangalore, then Sandeep University, then apart from that Acharya from Bangalore. That student, because nowadays after graduation or after 10+2, those who have already appeared their emboss, they are willing to take decision for their higher studies, like whether they will go for management or whether they will go for technical depart, or according to their choice they will get a full proper informations over here, because all the big universities peoples are here, and that will be more good opportunity for the students if they come here and they can select their colleges. They will come to know about the course fees, especially for the scholarship part. See, in Northeast we are having lots of scholarship facilities like Ishanuday, Pragati, ST, SC, so which governments are also providing. So if our students will come to know each and everything, then definitely it will help them for getting a better college, as well as if they deserve the scholarship, they can avail. But we can also guide them how they can avail the scholarship, as well as the loan facility, how they can avail loan if someone is looking for. So I request everyone, I would like to invite all the students, they can come down to this place, All Saints Hall. Today we are here till 7, and tomorrow till 7 evening we are having the same event. It's a 2 days event. Thank you.